All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. We're going to make the Deluxe Book of Matches. Made the easy one in the last video. And we're going to take this one and open it up and change it into the Deluxe, which it's a box. It's a MatchBook box. You can put stuff in there. And it's pretty cool looking. It's so identifiable. It's like an icon. And so if you got your deal folded from yesterday, we'll use it. If not, we're going to review real quick. So you take the bill and you fold it down under the shadow of the United States of America, right on the shadow line. On the other side, you fold it on the shadow line under the word 1 on each side. Then on the side you want to be the top, you open it up and you fold it back a little bit, about the width of the border of the green side. But we're not going to be doing that yet. And the next step you do is you fold the raw edge over to the creases you just made. So I think everybody's probably saw that, maybe. So go ahead and fold both those over to the crease, this side too. And I'll do mine real quick and be right back. Okay, so I'm just getting mine creased up really good. Now this video is not totally standalone, but maybe I'll make it standalone. So on the side you want to be the top, you unfold these folds, and at the width of the border of the green side, fold that over, and then just tuck these back in to put this fold all back how it was. This side too. And now at the other end, I forget exactly what we did for measuring, but if you look carefully, it's right in the middle of the 1. See right there, we're folding it back. It's a little bit more toward the right side of the 1. And on this side, the 1s are showing, so that's a pretty good guide, and you're basically all caught up. So you fold that back and put this all back together too right here. That's the striker. But if you are missing some information or something, then watch the Easy Money Origami Matchbook or Book of Matches, and then you'll be caught up. So this folds in at the edge of that paper, and then you just pull it down a little bit further so that the point of the eye of the pyramid, that's where one of the creases was. And then you have the 2 creases to make up the front of the matchbook right there, that little thick part. And then, you know, we had some different way to decide how to make these folds. And what you can do, I realize now, is you can push the front edge of the top cover where that crease is. You put that all the way in front of the all-seeing eye point crease. And then you can crease it down. Now that's a little bit different than this one, but just to catch you up if you're watching this standalone. And then you have to move this back 2 portions of this thickness, or this entire large striker. So see, then you would move it way back here and make your second crease. And like I said in the other video, if you end up adjusting these creases, you can still make it look pretty nice. So there's that part. And now what we've really got to do is fold. This is the top. So open the top and push this little tiny fold in at the same time, pushing this one all the way over. And at the crease from the cover, the first one, see, not that back one, just this one. And you just make a little triangle fold right there and bring it over and just pinch right in there so that you've got a little vertical, and do that on the other side. Bring this one inside flat and bring this one over and pinch right in there like that. And then just kind of make that into a point by pushing this one up. Bring it over. Give it a little crease. Bring this one up. Bring this over. And just get a little crease on the bottom one so that you've got the point going in like that. And that's just so it helps stay up. But the bottom one, we're going to let go inside more. And the top one is going to be coming down on the outside edge of these. And really, I think that's the best way to say that it's done. I mean, almost. It's almost completely done now. And then what you can do, because closing it, I mean, now it's more complicated a little bit. But so then what I did is I took a little screwdriver and pushed that in, and then pinch the front so that it knows where it goes. Oops, a little bit too much. And then this side, bottom edge goes in. And then you just pinch it. And then you've got your top edge coming down. And that's pretty good. So now you open it up. And you just see if that's exactly how you want it. And it is. So we've got these on the bottom going in, and then the ones on the top going out. And toward the front, they're kind of smashed, but toward the back, they're kind of raised up. So you can give it a little bit of a hold this, pinch this over a little bit. Hold this, pinch this over a little. So it's kind of an angle fold, but not all the way flattened. And so really that is what makes it the deluxe box. Because now it seals something inside pretty good. And you can put these up on the bottom some more. Keep that point going to the inside. Depending on what you're going to put inside. But I just think it looked a lot nicer like this. And the other one is a lot easier to fold because you don't have to do those little skinny folds and stuff. So that's why we just have the easy and deluxe. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. That's the deluxe book of matches. And you can put the little stick matches in there. Or you can put a really nice big note in there, fold it up small. Or you can put cash in there. Now it's not really that great for change. I tried it out. I put some change in it. It stays shut, and then when you pick it up, you're really surprised because matches don't weigh that much. So that's kind of fun too. And I hope you enjoyed that. That's pretty much it for the video. So it was a long wait for just a little bit of details, but I couldn't stay up anymore when I made that other one. I had to go to bed after that. It was really early in the morning on Sunday. Alright, so take care. I hope you enjoyed that. Appreciate you watching, sharing, liking, and all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Everybody, we're going to keep having more cool, original origami made of money. Alright, have a great day.